Students, already we have discussed about various conventional machining process equipment used for the machining operation. Um, so in this class we are going to discuss about the that is unconventional machining system. So normally in conventional system, the we can do uh, accuracy will be very less when compared to the unconventional machining process. So it will take uh, at a faster rate when compared to the conventional machining system. But in conventional machining system, we require more manpower. But in the unconventional machining system, we can utilize less manpower. So abrasive jet machining. So abrasive jet machining is just like a jet of water or jet of steam is passed over the job. So the metal is removed from the job as per our required design. First gas is or air is composed into gas compressor. The density of the pressure is converted into kinetic energy. It is used in aerospace industries applications. Abrasive jet machines are used in the water jet machining. The process works water jet. So here the high speed water is used to remove the material from the particular job. Water is filled in the water reservoir, working the high pressure of water now sent to the tubing system to the nozzle. The water passes. So water jet machining are applied in the drilling, cutting, machining. So depending upon the operation, we can adjust the jet flow. So the kinetic energy is changed as per the requirement. So we can, with the help of the abrasive cutting machine, we can do lot of drilling. Next ultrasonic method is next unconventional machining method is ultrasonic machining. Erode the material. Ultrasonic material removal process indicate the slide. The small amplitude of high frequency of vibration are given to the tool. Typically, the range is 10 to 20 micron. Ultrasonic machine. The common type of abrasive boron carbide, silicon carbide, carbon, corundum. Machining advantages is machining any material regardless of other thermal conductivity. Ultrasonic machining process is used in measuring hard and brittle metallic alloy semiconductors. Samples are shown in the diagram. Next, unconventional machining process is electrical discharge machining. So electrical power is known as spark machining or spark eroding process. The electrical energy is used to generate to remove the unwanted material from the job. So low viscosity, remain electricity, non-conductivity. Tool is usually electrical discharge machine. So properties possessed by the tool is it may possess high melting point, electrically conductivity. So a current is passed in between the job and the tool to hold the table. Electrical discharge machine, working principle of electrical EDM. The workpiece is fixed in the direct container by means of a tool. The machining process does not depend upon the mechanical properties. Limitation: workpiece material must be electrically conductive. Workpiece must be electrically conductive of this thing. So EDM can be application in the various drilling operations. So electrochemical machining. So in the electrical discharge machining, electrical power is used here. The chemical reaction will be take to remove the material. In this we are utilizing the Faraday's law. Faraday's law electrolysis: the weight of the substance produced during electrolysis process is directly produced. Cathode and anode. So this slide indicate the power supply and electrolyte of the electrochemical process. Power supply, electrolyte, tool, the control system, workpiece, or the main parameters. Common electrolyte used in sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium hydroxide, sodium fluoride are used as the electrolyte. So we can change the electrolyte depending upon our operations. By controlling the thing voltage, we can change the operating procedure. Any questions? You can raise your questions for this unconventional machining system.